This is episode 19, Crosstalk Survey 4. I discuss in this episode demarcating a part of specified area from a field. A, B, C, D be a field. AB is 588 feet. We want to demarcate a part from the field from bottom. If we want to demarcate 4 acres from this side, we treat this as bottom. And if we want to demarcate 4 acres from this side, we consider CD as bottom. And if we want to demarcate 4 acres from this side, we consider AD as bottom. The area of the part is 4 acres. 1 acre is equal to 43,560 square feet. So 4 acres is equal to 4 into 43,560 is equal to 174,240 square feet. We divide this figure by 588, this figure. 174,240 by 588 is equal to 296 feet roughly. We fix a point E on BC such that BE is equal to 296 feet. This is 296 feet. We chain AE. While chaining AE, we take an offset from the chain line to B and let the length of the offset be 275 feet 4.5 inches. Let AE be 628 feet 1.5 inch. Area of AEB is 0.5 into base into altitude, that is 0.5 into 628 feet 1.5 inch into 275 into 4.5 inch. After simplification, we get 86,484.9609 square feet. We got this area, but 4 acres is equal to 174,240 square feet. We measured only 86,484.960 square feet. That means the remaining area must be above this baseline, above this base AE. Here it must be there. So we want to calculate the offset of this portion. So the remainder is 174,240 minus 86,484.9609 is equal to 87,755.0391 square feet. For this area, the base is same, AE is same, that is 628 feet 1.5 inch. 0.5 into base into altitude is equal to area of triangle. Here 0.5 is the numerator here. After coming this side of the equation is equal to 0.5 becomes denominator. So base into altitude is equal to area of triangle by 0.5. 628 feet 1.5 inch and altitude is equal to 87,755.0391 by 0.5. This altitude we don't know, we have to calculate altitude. So altitude is equal to 87,755.0391 by 0.5 into 628 feet 1.5 inch. The numerator here becomes denominator. Here on the other side of is equal to. But 625 628 feet 1.5 inch is equal to 628.125 feet. See episode 1. We must convert inches into decimal feet. 1.5 inch is equal to 0.125 foot. So altitude is equal to 87,755.0391 by 314.0625. After simplification, this becomes 314.0625. After simplifying this fraction, we get 279.419 feet. So, the second offset we must measure is 279.418 feet. We know how to convert this figure into feet and inches. See episode 7, units. This figure will be 279 feet 5 inches. So HG, this offset, we already measured this offset. We want to construct this offset. The length of this offset as per our calculations is 279 feet 5 inches. Angle AHG must be 90 degrees. Second condition, G must be on AD. Surveyor H fixes cross staff here roughly on AE, and assistant G moves measures 279 feet 5 inches this offset, but G is not on AD. G must be on AD. So G moves in parallel to AE this side. When G comes in line with AD, assistant A here says stop. Surveyor H also moves along this chain line towards A. He comes here and he fixes cross staff, but he must check HG again. After a couple of trials, all these conditions will be met. This will be 90 degrees, G will be on AD, and HG will be 279 feet 5 inches. Now ABEG will be 4 acres. We have successfully demarcated ABEG from the field ABCD. We need measure AG. This we need measure. We need to measure even GE. For plotting even, we needn't measure AH or AF.